Hey guys, in today's video, I want to share with you 5 companies that are typically always hiring remote or work from home positions that you may have never even considered before. So I want to share all those with you in this video. And I also want to share with you a little known way that you can make money from home that I do that has been overlooked by so many people, but it can make you more than all these jobs I'm going to talk to you about today. All right, so I want to get to that at the end. You guys ready to get into this? Let's go. Okay, so in the past, when I have posted about different work from home positions before, those videos have done really well. So what I want you to know is that sometimes when you apply for these positions, when you watch these videos, apply for them immediately. And what I want you to do, even if the job is taken after you watch this video, still take note of these companies because they are typically, like I said, always hiring work from home positions. So if it's not today, check tomorrow, check the next day. But it's good to know what companies, if you're looking for a work from home position, are hiring work from home workers. So just keep that in mind. And the jobs I'm going to be talking about today do not require a degree, which I know has held some of my subscribers back because they don't have one. They can apply for these positions. Well, all of these, none of them require you to have a degree. So when I show you these jobs, I'm going to show you the ones that make the least to the ones that make the most amount of money. And when you're looking at these jobs, I want you to think of this as temporary because you deserve more than what these jobs are paying anyway. Even the ones that are paying pretty well, I want you to know your worth. You should still be making more than that. So always just think of these jobs when I'm telling you about these as temporary. These are going to fund your exit plan. But let's get into these jobs now. Okay, so the first one is a company called American Specialty Health. And this is a customer service rep clinical remote position. It's at $15 an hour. And the description is, I don't want to go into all of this, but just to let you know, the starting pay is $15 an hour with potential of $16 an hour within the first year, plus merit. And then just some of the responsibilities is going to be answering incoming and professional, accurate, timely, and courteous manner, so incoming calls. And it's going to be your typical customer service role. And the qualifications for this is a high school diploma or a minimum of 1 year experience performing customer service duties. So if this is something that you're looking for as far as a customer service position and you don't mind being on the phone, this is something that you should definitely apply for. I'm going to put this in the description. Now, the next one I found that is a really cool looking job is a fun expert agent. And it says the fun expert identifies where the guest is in the booking journey. They plan possible itineraries, answer vacation planning questions. So this seems like a pretty cool job. Qualifications are a high school diploma, minimal experience of 6 months to 1 year, previous sales and customer service required. So if you have those and the different qualifications on here, this job is hiring at $17 an hour, but I do have to let you know this is for specific areas only. So if you go down, because they do have some good benefits, but it's only applicable for those who are in Florida, Georgia, Texas, North Carolina that you can apply. So I just want to let you guys know that this is limited to location. So just be aware of that one if you are not in those states, but still check this out. I'm always big about the companies that are hiring virtually are the ones that you want to at least look to see what else they have. Okay. Now the next one, I'm going to put the links to these all in the description below. This is another company called CareCentrix. And this is a patient billing representative remote position. And this one right here is hiring at the starting pay is at $17.50. You also get monthly bonus incentives, which is pretty cool. So for this job right here, you're going to be investigating payment status or inquiries to determine patient out-of-pocket financial responsibility, collect outstanding balances, and offer patients payment help through various financial options. So once again, I'm not going to go through everything here, but I wanted to give you a quick snippet about what this job is, what your qualifications need to be, high school diploma or GED, minimum 1 year customer service, minimum year of experience in the healthcare. So if you do have this and this is something you're looking for, like I said, again, the pay is $17.50 an hour with an incentive bonus opportunity. So like I said, each job I'm talking about is going to be higher in pay. So if this is one you're looking for, I will put this in the description as well. Next here, I have a company called Thrivent, and you'd be a senior collector here. And for this job right here, the main job and responsibilities are to maintain delinquencies in accordance with peer performance and the risk profile of the credit union. So you're going to maintain effective communication with customers in an attempt to resolve poor credit performance. So the requirements here is that a high school education with 5 to 7 years of related collections experience. So this is a little bit more specific. So if you do have experience in these areas, this is something to consider. And the pay transparency for this role right here is $18.49 to $25. So this is a higher paying position, remote. It has good benefits. It also does require you to have a little more experience. So if you do have experience in the collections area, this is definitely something you might be interested in. And then this one right here is, I've found a number of jobs here at CVS. One thing that they had me do is I had to create an account. So just before I was able to even look at some of these positions. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So when you're looking for these jobs right here, what I recommend doing is if you are typically have experience in looking for customer service positions or whatever you have experience in, click on that. So that's what I did for here. Anything else I wasn't interested in. And then for, I think it was work location, I put in remote because these are all for work from home positions. So that's what I did here. And then after I did that, I just pressed search. I didn't want to do any more filters. I just want to see what did they have to offer so I could look through these to see did I match with any of these, or for this specific video, what most people could do and have access to. So like I said, all these jobs right here are remote, but then I was looking to see like, okay, what are some more customer service types of positions? Now, if you see anything that you could do, like senior coordinator, revenue cycle, like check these out. But when you go to these, I have to show you this. So for example, I found an inbound, outbound queue associate. So I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to try to get me to apply right away. But what you don't want to do, you want to see what the job description is, right? So what I did, I just said autofill with resume. And before I just like fill out a job that I don't know anything about, I'm going to say back to job posting. So this is how you actually get to see what the job post is. I don't like how this is. I don't know if it's just I don't know if this is a glitch or anything, but this is how it made it for me. So this job is going to be ending on December 7th. This video is probably going to post around that time, but I want you to know that I found other positions, but I'm just showing you how to navigate through this website right here. But it's good to note too that keep coming back to this website because they keep having these remote work from home positions, because this one pays the highest. $17 to $31. That's the highest one that I've seen to the ones that I've been looking for. And that is really good. So the qualifications for this is medical assisting, medical office experience, familiarity with medical terminology and concepts used in care management, effective communicator, strong customer service skills, and computer literacy. Now, the education for this is a high school diploma. And if you guys are interested in this will be something you apply for. But like I said, use the methods I just showed you. Go back to the job openings. Make sure you use the filters for this. They are always hiring typically work from home and remote positions. So I want you to take advantage of all things that they have to offer. I just clicked on one. The others on here, they have other inbound. This one says you must reside in Illinois, but you want to continue to look if you are not in Illinois to see what else do they have. You see, they have 4 pages here. I want to equip you guys with the tools and resources that you need to find you that work from home position that you're looking for. So now that you have a good idea of the companies that are hiring here, now this is something that I did want to mention to you guys because it's something that I've done that is completely overlooked by so many other people. And it has made me more than I have ever dreamed of. And it's simply just by talking to people and sharing their stories. You know, I built 2 multi-6-figure businesses doing this, and it didn't cost me a dime to get started, because it all just started with an idea. And I go all in the details about how I did this because I'm so passionate about this, because I'm the type of person that should not be here. I wasn't techie. I didn't have any special skills. All I wanted to do was quit my 9-to-5 so I could stay home and raise my kids. That's all I wanted. But I still had to figure out a way to make money, and this is how I did it. So I did a whole step-by-step video tutorial on how I did it, and I'm showing you guys how you can do the same thing. No course is needed. Just follow the instructions I talked about in that video and see if that's something that you want to consider, because it has completely changed my life, and I can hope that it can change yours. Now, if you are still here watching this video, I always love to see who is actually still here at the end. So I want to know from you, what is your biggest reason on why you want to work from home? I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you want to watch the video that I was just talking about, check it out right here. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.